Hey guys, Kat here, and this is a super fluffy, super comfy robe. I love it. Anyway, so I have today off, and I'm just gonna say the construction in this neighborhood. There's construction right there, next door, right there, and it starts way too early, for my opinion. It's not like I got to sleep in anyway. Because I forgot to do something the other day and I got in trouble for it. And my punishment is that I don't get to sleep in. I get woken up at 7 o'clock every morning, which sucks. Let me just tell you. But anyway, it's just like, oh my God. Already I'm listening to cement trucks and hammering and all this noise. Needless to say, I've spent the majority of my day wearing my headphones. My lovely noise-canceling headphones. But then it got to about 1 o'clock, and I realized, oh my God, it's 1 o'clock. Is it still 1 o'clock? It's 2 o'clock now. But I spent the morning watching videos and a movie and zoning out, and I didn't realize how late it was getting. I haven't done any of my chores or anything that I need to do yet. So that sucks. Yeah. But anyway, what I was going to talk about is construction noise. Sometimes it seems like they're just doing the same noise for no reason. Like, I saw them move a pile of boards very noisily just to move it back and then move it back again. I'm like, what are you doing? There is no reason for that. I don't know, though. Maybe there was a reason and I just don't know it. Maybe I'm just really sick of how much construction is around here. But anyway, yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to record at least one more, if not two more videos today, because that's how many I'm behind, is 2. So I can get on that. Probably one of them is going to be about Pokemon Go, because I want to update you guys. Kind of show you guys what I've got so far. Because I've told you guys that I play it, but I haven't really told you anything about my Pokemon or anything. So look forward to that, because I'm so awesome. Anyway, bye guys. I'll see you later. Love you. Mwah.